Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia Kajela James K. Sangma, ulaong bakipat ba kimday ban kensting yaga klam COVID hakane Kajela, watla kyndon kibayo thamai kilanang hiarman kasni. Habakran hadin balawai kajingyalang, Menteri ulaong ru bakipat ba kidai ban bot pyrkhing yaki kyndon jingyada kamtam hakane kale niam Puja bat election shiteng samoy. Ka election shiteng samoy banjit ikinong mikmat nakabenta ka maureng keneng mau plang badru haraja bala constituency kanlong hakalai pauterek mentau benai.
So yes, we are maintaining cautious and we are trying to maintain as much vigil as possible in this regard. But then we need to also take into consideration that there are certain religious sentiments attached to this, and we have to be we have to balance these two, maintain the vigil and be cautious, at the same time we have to also allow people to carry on with their celebrations. Yes, I always keep saying this, that we will be hoping for the best, and we are preparing for the worst. So, I think that if we say that yes, everything is adequate, I think that would, to some extent, be construed as complacency. So we do not want to be complacent. We want to be ever vigilant and make sure that preparations are monitored constantly, and this is a very fluid situation. It requires according to that situation, we need to be also ready to adapt to any kind of developing situation.